We had a plan. Steelhead, big water, big fish.
Let's go! Yes! Let's go! Let's go!
We'd been looking forward to it for weeks. But like a lot of good fishing plans, things changed. Plans fell through. So the night before our adventure, we decided to go with Plan B, the backup plan. Local water, local trout. We didn't have any expectations. There was no pressure. Just a full day on the river with friends, some cameras, and a backup plan that ended up being better than we imagined.
Yeah!
That's actually sick. Oh no. Oh no.
A root beer and a burrito's about to give me diarrhea.
Here's the deal. We were gonna go steelheading today, but plans fell through. So we woke up early and we decided last night we're just gonna hunt down big browns. What do you think?
Not much. Yeah, not much to ask.
That's not too much to ask for.
Beautiful sunrise.
Hooked up. Alex, you got net? Oh, nice brown. There it is. Yeah! Jones Fruit Brown of the day.
Let's go.
That's sick, bro.
Did the white fins, bro.
That's awesome. Let's go. First fish of the day.
Oh, nice.
Hooked up.
Dude, nice.
Dude, that's a good fish. Get him! Dude, that's a nice cutty. There's a scene in my favorite movie, The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, where Sean O'Connell is up in the Himalayas waiting to photograph a snow leopard. The leopard finally appears, but Sean doesn't take the picture. Walter asks him why, and he just says, "I just like to stay in it." That moment has stuck with me, and it's probably the reason why it is my favorite movie. Sometimes it's difficult to stay in it when filming fishing adventures. Balancing the fishing and the filming can be hard. Trying to capture the shot, but miss the moment. But today felt different. I found myself feeling present. At times, I set up the camera and just let it roll. And that's what made this day so memorable. There it is. Yes, sir, baby. What do we got? What do we got? Cuddy.
Dang, there's one. Hooked up?
Yeah.
Dude, it looks nice.
Yeah, this one might be nice.
Oh, this is nice. Oh, wait, no, you're
All right, DT fishing friends and family. You see my chipped tooth in this one?
Alex chipped his tooth with a lead weight.
It came back, flew, and hit me in the face.
right there. Right on that corner. My lip is still a little bit swollen because it smacked me right there. Every time I catch a fish.
Oh yeah. Little guy. There we go. Yes, sir. Little Cuddy took the big old Euro pheasant tail. And by big old Cuddy, I mean little baby Cuddy. Midday hit and the fishing slowed down. So we pulled off, cracked open the cooler, and Alex made lunch. Hey, what are we whipping up today?
Some chicken fajitas.
Moments like these between casts remind me that fishing's not just about the catch. It's about slowing down, sharing time together, and being exactly where your feet are.
Okay. Monster, sponsor me, please.
Got him. Yeah, baby. Nice one. It's either a big whitefish or I got a decent trout. Fat whitefish, bro. Yeah. Rocky Mountain bonefish right there. That will make all the difference. Good cast.
Oh yeah. Dude, that's actually so cool.
As the day went on, the river kept giving. No giants like we were hoping for, but steady fish, good laughs, and time that mattered. When my dad showed up, it felt full circle.
That was awesome.
You want to film a release? Oh, it's gone. Okay, here we go.
We started this day in hopes of catching steelhead, but the river had other plans. And honestly, I'm glad it did. The backup plan turned out to be the best plan all along.
Yep.
Oh! Yes, sir!
Triple.
Triple. That's the way we like it.
Go, nice!